Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and here you will see the transitions icon. Just click here once, and now we got selected the default one. Here you can select and see one from these available transitions here, and just select one from these ones. For example, I'll go with the rotate one, and just to set this transition, click again on the home button here, and as you can see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.